So when we're making judgments as to whether the evidence that the students are presenting is worthy, we use a very simple status a system, a three-level status system. So they've either achieved it through the evidence they present, they've got it, or they haven't achieved it yet, or in fact, they've shown evidence that they've gone deeper, so that they've made higher order connections in their understanding. And in order to make that work, Mick showed a couple of slides on standards and exemplars. We strongly encouraged our teams to go through a process of standardization, to have those discussions, those difficult conversations around, what does good really look like? Is this a good piece of work? Are we happy that this reflects what we want, what we've encapsulated in that key performance indicator? Once we'd gone through that process, we were then able to set about exemplifying it, to take the really good pieces of work. And I have to tell you, when we started off with this, there wasn't a huge amount out there. There probably is a whole lot more. I remember kind of mining sort of websites that were based in New Zealand, Australia, in order to get really good examples, well annotated, clear examples of kind of standard to be able to present to staff as a model. But in the end, we worked it through and we came up with our own standard. So to facilitate all this happening, we are strong supporters and advocates of Frog Progress. It is simply a brilliant application because it's so simple. Each KPI has a learning locker. It's a great name. Inside the learning locker, we were able to populate it with exemplars, learner resources, and extension resources. And the great thing about Learning Locker is it's very visible to the students, also visible to their parents.